Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, 29th of July. Looking at euro dollar, the move on euro dollar looked to be stalling yesterday, but it's sort of regained some of the upside initiative. Since the market broke out above 115 figure, it's barely looked back. Little bit of a consolidation yesterday, back from 117.80 level. But it's just sort of started to edge higher again in front of the Federal Reserve meeting tonight. Now, this Fed meeting, I think, is going to be important because obviously the market has taken a massive anti-dollar view ahead of that meeting. And that has driven euro dollar sharply higher towards 118 big figure, which incidentally is the next real level of resistance that we've got on this chart. If we go back 5 years, you can get a gauge. 118 big figure is this reaction high here from September 2018. And that is the next level of resistance. Sort of back on the nearer term chart, you can still see that the outlook is sort of extended. It's overbought. It's looking as though that yesterday the threat of a correction really did start to come through, but it didn't sort of hold into the close and rallied on the back of that very much weaker than expected US consumer confidence number. Now, if the Federal Reserve doesn't meet expectations in its dovish tilt tonight, then we could easily see a pullback, dollar rebound and pulling euro dollar backwards again. Now, how far would that go? Well, initially you'd be looking at near-term support band 1680 to 1700 area. If that gets broken, then that does turn into a corrective move. You've got this 55-hour moving average, which is still a basis of support, and that's been throughout the past week and a half now. Breaking that 1732, so if it sort of does start to break that, you could suggest that this is a move that is losing the impetus of the upside and start to maybe roll over. But if you do see it rolling over, you'd be looking at sort of 115.80 to 116.25 areas, a next basis of support. But essentially, I think a pullback would probably be retreating towards this 115 area, 114.90, 115. That would be a very good medium-term buying opportunity. I think ultimately we see euro dollar higher. I think in due course, I think the dollar weakness continues. But I think on a near-term basis, it depends on how the Fed sets out its stall tonight. And potentially with a mix of the fiscal response as well from the Congress. But broadly speaking, I think the Federal Reserve is going to be important tonight. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and also click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.